Hello everyone, for today's vlog I'm going to make a channel review on how they earn on their YouTube channel. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell for my latest upload. The aim of this video is to serve an inspiration to all small YouTuber and to all viewers. Disclaimer, all digits you see are purely estimated, and for the reference, I use Social Blade, a public website which anyone can check nor access the site. So I am here in Social Blade in a YouTube channel of Ryzza Mae Dizon, and for today's vlog we're going to make a channel review and we're going to find out how much she earned on her YouTube channel. And sino bang hindi naman nakakalimot or nakakakilala kay Ryzza Mae Dizon? She is a child star and tinaguri ang aling maliit na tinatawag sa Itbulaga. So nakita ko yung kanyang YouTube channel and bakit hindi ko bagawan ng review. Ayan. So big shoutout kay Ryzza Mae Dizon, and as you can see meron siyang 85 upload on video sa kanyang YouTube channel with 342,000 subscribers with a total video views of 10,827,127. Country is not stated and the channel type is people. User created July 5, 2015, and total grade in a Social Blade is letter B. Social Blade rank is 123,775, and subscriber ranks of 80,113. Video views rank of 448,607, and there's no rank for the country, it's missing, and people's rank of 11,189. And as you can see, yung kanyang subscriber for the last 30 days, mataas siya ng 395%. So 99,000 subscriber ang nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel nung nakaraang buwan, ng isang buwan. Ayan. And estimated monthly earnings of $619 to $9,900. And of course, yung video views niya for the last 30 days, 2.4 million something. So mataas siya ng 488.1% compared to the last month. So ang laki ng tinaas niya. And of course, yung kanyang total subscriber weekly. So nung March siya biglang tumaas ng subscriber, which is meron nga siyang 99,000 subscribers, and estimated yearly earnings of $7,400 minimum and maximum of $118,800. Yan, $118,800. And yung kanyang weekly views din is yung pinakang huling part na ng 2021 or ng March, doon siya humataw ng video views. And nandito tayo sa kanyang YouTube channel and we're going to find out how much she earned on her YouTube channel. And meron nga siyang $619 times 48. So meron siyang 29,712. So that is the minimum estimated earning ng monthly ni Ryzza Mae Dizon. And merong maximum na $9,900 times 48. So meron siyang 475,200 pesos. So it's a huge money of gan. It's a huge money, guys. So ang laki ng kanyang estimated earnings. And siguro mga half of that ng 475, mga siguro mga 300,000. Yun na lang estimated ko, guys. And yung kanyang estimated yearly earnings, na meron siyang minimum na $7,400 times 48. So meron siyang 355,200 pesos. Minimum lang yan, guys. Minimum lang yan, guys, ha. And then yung maximum niya na $118,800 times 48. So meron siyang 5,702,400 pesos na posibleng kitain sa isang taon. So ayun, ang laki ng kanyang pwedeng kitain. So nakita na natin and na-figure out natin kung magkano yung kanyang estimated monthly and yearly earnings. So this time sa kanyang next page, so sa status, sa summary niya, we're going to find out the daily, weekly, and for the last 30 days. So kung makikita nyo yung mga details dyan, estimated earnings, video views, subscribers, and date na nag-generate ng revenue yung kanyang mga videos. And there is a time na merong video na hindi man kumikita, and 0-0 dito sa ating social blade. Anyway, so nandiyan yung mga details ng mga subscribers, video views, and of course estimated earnings ni Ryzza Mae Dizon. So pinakang lower part, titingnan natin kung magkano yung daily average, weekly average, and of course yung the last 30 days. So sa kanyang daily average, mayroong 3,300 subscriber na nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel with 82,479 total video views with minimum estimated earnings of $21 to maximum $330. That is only for one day or daily average. And for weekly average, she gained 23,100 subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel with 577,353 total video views with minimum estimated earnings of $144 to maximum $2,300. Diba ang laki? And for the last 30 days, she gained 99,000 subscribers na nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel, which is ang taas ng percentage, ang taas ng itinaas ng percentage niya. And merong total video views na 2,474,356 and minimum estimated earnings na $619 to maximum $9,900. And na-find out natin yan kung magkano yung conversion yan sa peso, yung minimum and maximum. So diba ang laki nung lumabas nung kinumpute natin, o diba? So how much more kung nag-upload pa siya ng video ng madalas or everyday or 4 times a week, diba? Mas malaki pa yung kanyang kikitain. But since busy siya and she is a celebrity, so we cannot blame her. So big shout out to Ryzza Mae Dizon once again. So in the next page, we're going to figure out kung magkano yung or ilan yung video views niya monthly. So in the next page, we're going to find out na ayun nga yung pinakang yung last March niya, meron siyang 2,444,658 total video views, and February ng 64, ang baba nung February and January. So parang humataw siya nitong March kasi yun yung pinakamataas, 2 million. So meron siyang bagong upload, guys. Ayan. Well, anyway, not bad yung mga the rest na mga video views niya. And of course, yung kanyang subscribers din ng March is mataas din kasi mataas yung kanyang video views. So nung mga nakaraan, mabababa lang yung kanyang mga video views. Ayan, 3,000. Tapos yung mga nasa baba na yan, sobrang mababa yan, 3,000, 1,000, 2,000 yung mga video, mga subscribers niya na nagsusubscribe. Pero nitong March, ang tamaas yung kanyang subscriber, 99,000. That's wow. So that's for today's video, guys. So I made this video to inspire small YouTuber and to all the viewers. Thank you for watching and keep safe, everyone. Bye bye.